What to do when video is not playing on Crunchyroll app of Android phone. One issue that you might encounter when using this app is when a certain video fails to play. Here's what you need to do to fix this. Things to do first. Restart the phone. Make sure your phone is running on the latest software version. Make sure the Crunchyroll app is updated to the latest version. Method 1. Check the language preference of the app. If you are trying to view a video that has been dubbed to a language other than what is set in your phone, then you will usually get the unable to load video error. You can try changing your preferred language setting to the one the video is using if you want to watch it. The best way to do this is by logging into your account from a computer browser. Go to www.crunchyroll.com using your computer browser. I recommend that you'll use Google Chrome. Scroll to the bottom, then change the language. Make sure to choose the language the video is dubbed in. Once this is done, restart the Crunchyroll app on your phone, then check if the video will play. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Since this is a streaming service, it will require a good internet connection to play HD quality videos. Try checking if your phone internet connection is stable. Open the phone browser. Go to google.com, then search for speed test. Tap on the Run Speed Test button. If the results are not good, then try connecting your phone to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also try using your mobile data subscription if no other Wi-Fi network is available. Method 3. Clear the cache and data of the Crunchyroll app to fix the video is not playing error. There are instances when a corrupted cache data can cause this problem. To fix this, you will need to clear the cache and data of the app. Tap on Settings. Tap on Apps and Notifications. Tap on See All Apps. Tap on Crunchyroll. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Storage and Clear Cache, then make sure to confirm your action. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.